Hello there, Miles Pitcher from Superior Lending. I can't believe we're September 1st today. Boy, the year is flying by. Uh, it Fall is coming, you can sense it, but it's crazy how fast it's going. So today's tip that we're going to be talking about is the 401k. We are having more and more clients use this, so let's cover it real quick. But first, I wanted to show you guys a couple things. Okay. So here's where rates are. You can see we've had some rates getting worse days, getting better, getting worse. We're still doing really well where we're at. We're watching inflation. We're watching Delta variant of the COVID virus. We're watching what the Federal Reserve is doing with the tapering off of buying mortgage-backed securities. They are pushing for that tapering to happen sooner, which would make rates get worse. But for now, rates are in a great range right now. We do have room for them to move down to this purple line, which would make them a bit worse, but it may not, your clients may not even notice that. Still great rates. All right, I wanted to show you guys some cool new tech. So pause the video, take a scan of this QR code. It'll take you to my ShareLocal business card. This is something that was shown to me. I love it. I think it's really cool because you can totally customize this and have, if they click on that save button, it saves your info into their address book. You can call, text, email, you can add extra buttons in here, and you can customize them all, and you have your social media. So huge fan of this. I'm just starting to use it and figure out ways to use this with my clients. Very professional. It's awesome. I'm excited about this, but check it out, sharelocal.com. All right, let's talk about 401k stuff. So there's two options for those that have 401ks. Number one is you can take a withdrawal or a distribution. There are tax implications that come with this. So again, they need to talk to their CPA in dealing with that. But these are the people who are totally just liquidating and pulling their money out. So be aware of that. The other option that we see happen more often is a loan, where you can take a loan for a certain amount out of your 401k. The question is always, how much can you pull out? Well, that depends on how much you have in there. It depends on your administrator of the 401k. How much does it cost? Again, that all depends. How long can you have the money out? And how do you pay it back in? I wish I could give you a blanket answer for every single that covers all 401ks, but it all depends on the administrator. So get a hold of them. They can tell you all kinds of things, but there are a few things that we need to remember. Obviously, find out who that administrator is. You need to be aware that it takes time. This is not like getting a gift from mom and dad. It can add in several weeks. We're talking 2 to 3 weeks, because there are forms that have to be filled out, securities that have to be liquidated and then move into a cash account. And then from that cash account, it takes time to process it. And then many of these people, companies where they are, will not send a wire. They're going to mail a check, maybe overnight a check to you. And then that check has to be deposited in your bank account, and the bank could put a hold on those funds. So yeah, it adds extra time. And then the other question is, if it is a loan, is there a penalty to the debt ratios? No, there's not, because this is your money. You're basically borrowing against your own money for your down payment or closing costs. And there is no restriction on if you use this money for down payment, closing costs, or one or the other on there. Let me know if you have questions on that, but yeah, we love making sure our clients know the fees. We love making sure our clients have loan options. But Once again, dude, scan that QR code, check out how cool that is. Let me know your thoughts on it. Have a great week. Have a great September. This is Miles Pitcher with Superior Lending. We help our clients borrow smarter.